Hello, everyone. I'm here to talk to you about how PagerDuty enables quick and accurate orchestration of the right response for any incident, your routine operational issues, major incidents, and everything in between. By ensuring that you have processes built around instant mobilization of the right teams, you can mitigate business disruption or reduce downtime with a proactive approach. You can improve people productivity and engagement and reduce organization wide productivity loss during service disruptions. And downtimes come at a cost. A recent estimate for Fortune 1000 companies shows that downtime could cost as much as 1 million per hour, according to an IDC report. So, by minimizing this cost, you help drive revenue and customer experience and minimize negative brand impact. So, let's dive into an incident response example and see how this is achieved. In order to ensure smooth orchestration of response, you need to have visibility across all levels in the organization. Using the PagerDuty service-based architecture, you will be able to split up your environment into logical groupings of technical services, which can then roll up into a business service. Our service-based architecture is designed to mirror what you have going on in your own environment. So in the event of an incident, you're able to answer some quick questions right from here. Like, where did the incident originate from? What is the impact? Is it isolated to just one part of your environment, or is it more widespread? And how do these services really impact each other? This is what makes the service based design a powerful one. Now, as a responder, let's say an engineer who deals with these incidents on a regular basis, the service based design is also going to help ensure that I am instantly engaged if the components that I am responsible for run into issues. Thanks to the automation that's already built in with robust schedules and escalation workflows within PagerDuty that can be tied to a service. I can dive into the incident to start with, and I can acknowledge the issue, whether it is from the web UI or if it is 2 a.m. and I don't have my computer booted up yet. I can acknowledge this from my mobile application. Or if I'm more comfortable working out of my chat ops tool to collaborate with my team from there, I can acknowledge the issue right from here, and maybe after some preliminary investigation, add a note on the fly as well, so everyone's on the same page about where I am with this particular investigation and what the next steps probably are. Following this, diving into the incident itself gives me more context with relevant data from my change events and monitoring alerts to triage and determine who else I may need to engage in order to ensure quick resolution. In order to do this, I can add responders on the fly, again, from either the web UI or even the mobile application, so I can get an extra pair of eyes who will help me troubleshoot this issue. I can also create a Zoom meeting on the fly to have folks join there. Or there are times when organizations have pre existing workflows that they need to follow when a particular type of high impact incident occurs on a service. In these cases, they can pre package and save a set of actions so that they can run these at the click of a button during time sensitive critical incidents and trigger the entire workflow in an instant. This response play could include adding relevant responders for such an incident, subscribing the necessary stakeholders, and providing them with a quick status update so that they can stay informed via the status dashboard, on cell phones, or email. And also, if needed, adding a conference bridge where everyone needs to congregate immediately and participate in the investigation. This greatly reduces the level of effort required by the engineer to assemble the required resources and helps everyone focus only on quickly resolving the incident at hand. As a stakeholder, you can stay informed of these incidents using the status dashboard as previously mentioned. The status dashboard enables both responders and leaders to get a live shared view of system health to ensure that you have full awareness of any business impacting issues. As a stakeholder, like an executive or even a customer support agent, you can quickly subscribe to incidents that are relevant to you and ensure that you have full visibility and are accordingly notified when business impacting issues occur for those entities that you oversee. Now, we've done quite a few things on this incident. We've added responders, notes, escalated to other teams through response play, etc. While a lot of automation can be built into your PagerDuty workflow itself, there are situations when it is time to actually take action, and the responders are still reliant on probably outdated wikis and eventually SMEs when it comes to diagnose further and repair the incident itself. Not only does it make the incident last longer, it also pushes extensive interruptions that impact the productivity of the rest of the organization. This is where Rundeck comes into picture and helps you replace all of this with runbook automation. These are self-serviceable operations procedures that anyone in the organization with the right permissions can use to safely diagnose and resolve incidents. In this example, the responder could first attempt a service restart themselves or even have it automatically trigger when an incident fires, even before involving anyone in the incident, so that if the restart works, this incident has reached a resolution with no human intervention at all. This takes automation to the next level. Incidents will be shorter and there'll be fewer escalations. Now, once the incident resolution is complete, PagerDuty help you streamline the feedback loop for customers with the post-mortem feature, where you will be able to utilize the rich incident timelines and information collated from various tools that are integrated with PagerDuty to produce quick and easy post-mortem reports that you can use for retrospectives and learn and improve over time. It thus follows that by being able to orchestrate a coordinated response across the board, we can reduce downtime, improve productivity, and also minimize the cost of downtime. PagerDuty customers are realizing significant value by leveraging PagerDuty to improve their real-time operations, which is worth an annual average benefit of $3.48 million per organization, resulting in a 3-year ROI of 795%.